have something to say, and I have never said this before, and I hope I never say it again. But I lost my avocado. Good morning everyone. I am quickly leaving to work. It's another Friday. Haven't filmed all week again. Sorry. But when it gets to the end of the week I'm like, yeah, I should vlog now. But I'm quickly heading off there. Ooh, okay. So I'm quickly heading off to work this morning. I'll see you guys either in our lunch break or at the end of the day. Okay, I just got to work and I have no idea what's happening. Dad's not sitting at his desk or doing work. No one has said hello to me. And both the bedroom doors are shut. Except Amber's. That's Dealey's. That's Dad's. So, I don't know. I'm not that early. I'm like here like maybe 10 minutes before I usually am. Anyway, I'm being quiet because I don't know if they're sleeping. No, they wouldn't be sleeping. I don't know. Anyways. My day at work has completely finished and I'm here with my mom and Auntie Nikki and Dealey. Is my face red? No, it looks red in here. Anyway, we're in Coles and we are getting drinks, some dessert, some toilet paper and all that fun stuff. And then tonight we are, I think, having a pizza night and movies and fun stuff like that. So yeah. Oh, wait.
Okay, you want a pineapple one? Do you want a meat one too, or just pineapple?
Oh, I'm not being smooth at all.
Oh, come on, I'll have one, please.
Hey, buddy. Hello. How did you sleep? Good morning everyone. Happy Saturday. Today is going to be a good day because James is with me. Yeah, okay. Well, I think I didn't get too much footage yesterday, so I'm going to film again today. And it'll be good because I've got James with me for the first few hours before he has to go to work. Hey, not up there. Come on. So we decided to come out for breakfast and he's so embarrassed. These are my hotcakes and James got the exact same. You wanna
get the same?
This is my first time trying them. I'm back home now. James has gone to work about an hour ago or so and I've been chilling. Actually been cleaning the house, so I don't know, how's it look? Table's kind of cleaned off. I don't know. Even when I clean the house, it's kind of not even nice still. Anyway, I'm gonna go out today and do a few things, and I'm gonna have lunch with James because when he has his lunch break at work, I'm gonna go and see him again. Right now, I'm just gonna make some sandwiches. I'm gonna make these ones. So let's see if it focuses. Salmon, spinach, and avocado sandwich. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some sandwiches. Okay, I'm gonna make a sandwich because that's what I eat. Make a sandwich and then I'm going to be going into town, do some shopping, and then I'm planning on going to the beach to eat my lunch. So when I go see James for his lunch break, I don't have to order anything. I just got it before I came here. Got a few things at the shops, but they're up in the car. And I got this towel because I didn't have anything to sit on at the beach, and I really like it. It's one of those round beach towels, but it was definitely not as expensive as the other ones that you can usually get online. Anyways, got my sandwich, and I've got this tea that I haven't tried before, so I got that to have with it. I'm gonna try and relax and eat that, and then go see James. Alright, so I'm back at home now. I didn't film lunch with James because, don't have to film everything, right? Anyway, I think my face is still a bit red. I did a workout when I came home, and I'm just watching vlogs and making dinner. We're having tacos. I'm using this kit to make tacos. It's pretty good. But I have something to say, and I have never said this before, and I hope I never say it again. But I lost my avocado. I have no idea where it is. I nearly didn't get an avocado because they were all like not even ripe, but this the recipe called for an avocado to make guacamole for my tacos. Thinking about it now, I don't remember putting it away when I was putting all my things away. And yeah, I mean, I've still got half an avocado, a quarter of an avocado that I can use to make my guacamole. I lost an avocado. I'm gonna have to get James to get one on his way home, which is probably actually really soon, so I gotta text him. Will James save the day? I have an avocado. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the vlog there, so thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.